Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Adele. Today is Valentine's Day 2026 and I was inspired to create this simple look. If you want to see how I achieved it, keep watching and let's play in makeup. Before I continue my brows, I'm going to apply Tatcha, the liquid skin canvas, to my face as my primer. On top of that, I'm going to apply the Danessa Myricks Yummy Glow Serum. Using the Tarte Shape Tape and 47S Tan Deep Sand, I'm going to clean up underneath my brows, and using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer and 70NY, I'm going to clean above my brows. I'm using MAC Paint Pot and Soft Ochre to prep my eyelids. I'm using Il Makiage translucent powder to set that. Going into the Pat McGrath Utopian Stream palette, I'm starting off with this pink shade. Going into the Norvina Pro Pigment palette volume 6. Going into this white shade right here. I'm taking a first brush, tapping the colors to blend them, and then I'm going to go back and build up this colored pigment in the outer V. So now I'm dipping in the palette and I'm just tapping the pink right on top of the white. Going in with MAC's pen eyeliner and brush stroke. I'm gonna come back and do my inner corner wings once I get the rest of the face makeup on. Also gonna tight line. Apply to my lower lash line. This is the LA Girl auto liner and so. I'm going to apply the Tartelette XL mascara. I'll be using the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse for my primer. I'm going to go in and color correct using the LA Girl Pro in orange and the Stay Naked concealer. I'm going to set all those areas with the Laura Mercier powder. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Kevyn Aucoin concealer in medium. And for my contour, I'm going to use the Hourglass foundation stick in chestnut. I'm going to spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus so it's easier to blend out. So that concealer didn't seem bright enough for me. I'm gonna go in a little bit with the Makeup Forever Skin HD, and I'm gonna go into this shade. I'm gonna add in a little bit of the first shade. I'm gonna mix a little bit of these two. I want like a really bright highlight today. For my foundation, I'm using a NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm going to set all my highlighted areas with the Laura Mercier powder. For my contour, I'm using my NARS Laguna Bronzer. For my blush, I'm going to go ahead and use the One Size and Freaky Peach. Back on the eyes, I'm going to finish my liner. I'm going to go back over my waterline, my lower waterline. For my lashes, I'm using the Ardell Fox Mink lashes. This is number 817. I'm going back in with my mascara using a Tartelette mascara again. For underneath my eyes, I'm going to add a little bit of the pink as well. I'm going to my Naked palette, and the dust is just collected along it. I'm going to dip into that. It's like a light shimmer. I'm also going to add some of that shimmer up here. I'm going to spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to use MAC lip liner in Chestnut, and then I'm going to top my lips with Saint Germain lipstick. I want some glitter, so I'll try the NARS Sunrush lip gloss. For my highlight, going in with the Naked, as you know, going into the middle shade and a little bit of the pink shade. Gonna spray my face with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and I'm gonna top this off with a One Size spray, and to lock it down, touching it with the Krylon. Okay guys, so this is a finished look. Thanks for watching. If you did like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that follow button for more videos. If you want to see how I achieve these gorgeous curls in my hair, comment curl below and I'll drop a tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.